So some of your assignments, you are going to see for some of your lessons that it's going to say download the worksheet. Here it says download the phonogram worksheets. So all worksheets for the unit can be found at the beginning of the unit. So you can go ahead and locate them there, or you can go ahead and locate them right in the lesson. So you can have a couple different choices here. You can go ahead and click on the worksheet. You can have your student complete it. You can print it out, have your student complete it, and then go ahead and upload it to their computer. That's one option. Or if you would rather not print the worksheet, then you can go ahead and look at the worksheet and have your student complete it on a piece of wide-lined paper. So you can buy wide-lined paper at a lot of different places. You can buy it at Amazon, dollar stores, I've seen it there, Walmart, Target, all those places, and it's relatively pretty cheap for a big pack of wide-lined paper. So again, if you don't want to print out the worksheets, that's just fine. Your student can go ahead and complete it on a piece of paper. Make sure that if your student is choosing to do it on a piece of paper, that they are writing the lesson number. That way I can see nice and clearly what lesson and what worksheet that it goes with. Okay, so those are a couple different choices that you have. Then when it comes time to turn in this assignment, you can go ahead and look all of the assignments for Units 1 and Units 2 are going to be turned in before the quizzes. So, for example, Lessons 1, Lessons 2, and Lessons 3, those are going to be, any worksheets are going to be submitted right before Quiz 1. And you can see right here, there's a little submit button. So anytime you're not sure what needs to be turned in, what needs to be submitted, look for this little submit button in this unit. It's going to help you. And it says upload all worksheets from lessons 1, 2, and 3. So if your student is choosing not to print the worksheets, then they would be uploading their pieces of wide-lined paper that has the work on it. When you click on this, it's also going to tell you, it's going to review all of the assignments that you should be submitting together. So here, these are the first 3 assignments that you are turning in, and it tells you the directions, and then there's also an extra credit assignment. So students will submit all 3 assignments. If they choose to submit this extra credit, then they can submit 4 assignments together. Hope that helps. Let me know if you are still confused about what needs to be submitted or where you need to submit assignments. Please reach out to me and I would be happy to help.